a 78-year-old woman felt she was losing her independence. Simple tasks like carrying groceries felt monumental, and her doctor dismissed it as just a normal part of getting older. Refusing to accept this fate, she made a simple adjustment to her diet. In under 90 days, she not only regained her confidence, but was carrying her grandkids again. Her incredible secret: it wasn't a fad diet. It wasn't expensive shakes. And it certainly wasn't just eating more eggs. That woman's story is why I created this channel. I'm Dr. Kenji Sato, and welcome to the Senior Wellness Center. My mission is to give you science-backed practical strategies to reclaim your strength and vitality, no matter your age. The truth is, that feeling of getting weaker isn't inevitable. It's often a problem of nourishment, not just aging. Today, we're going to fix that. The secret isn't just about eating more protein, it's about eating the right kind. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms that, as we age, our bodies need specific types of protein to trigger muscle synthesis effectively. I'm going to share 6 powerful, everyday foods that outperform eggs when it comes to rebuilding muscle after 61. One of them even works to repair your muscles while you sleep. But before we dive in, let's connect our global community. Please take a moment to comment below with your age and the country you're watching from. It's wonderful to see how far our wellness journey reaches. Now, let's begin our countdown. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the affordable foundation of strength: lentils. Many believe plant-based proteins are inferior for building muscle, but that's a myth we need to bust right now, especially for those over 60. On their own, lentils are impressive, but when you combine them with a whole grain like brown rice, they form a complete protein. This means you get all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to signal muscle repair and growth, just like animal protein. It's no coincidence when you think about it. Consider the world's longest living cultures. Many have relied on lentils as a dietary cornerstone for centuries. Their strength and longevity are a testament to the power of this humble legume. Beyond muscle, lentils are packed with magnesium for energy, iron for oxygen transport, and fiber for excellent gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for absorbing all the nutrients you eat, making every meal more effective. To prepare, simply simmer red lentils for about 15 minutes. Add a pinch of anti-inflammatory turmeric and cumin, and you have a powerhouse meal that costs pennies per serving. It's a simple, powerful first step. But what about addressing those daily aches and pains? Our next food is a secret weapon for soothing sore joints. Coming in at number 5 is the joint-soothing superfood: hemp seeds. First, let's clear the air. These are 100% safe, legal, and have no psychoactive effects. They are, however, a nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Their true magic for seniors lies in their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. These are powerful anti-inflammatories that can help soothe aching joints and improve mobility, making daily movement feel easier and less painful. For anyone whose digestive system has become more sensitive over the years, hemp protein is a game. It is remarkably easy to digest, meaning your body can absorb its muscle-building nutrients without bloating or discomfort. Incorporating them is effortless. Sprinkle a few tablespoons over your morning oatmeal. Blend them into a smoothie for a creamy protein boost, or stir them into yogurt. They have a mild, nutty flavor that complements almost anything. These tiny seeds offer both muscle fuel and joint relief, a fantastic daily combination. But now, let's uncover the secret to repairing your muscles while you're not moving at all, specifically while you're sound asleep. At number 4, we have the overnight muscle repairer: cottage cheese. While many dismiss it as an old-fashioned diet food, its true power lies in a special protein called casein. Think of it as a slow-release fuel for your muscles. While you sleep, your body is in its prime repair mode. Casein digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles for up to 8 hours. This prevents muscle breakdown and actively promotes repair and growth overnight. This isn't just theory. It's the secret behind people like Gene, an 83-year-old farmer who told us he regained the strength to lift heavy potted plants after adding cottage cheese to his nightly routine. Real results from a simple food. On top of that, it's an excellent source of calcium, which is vital for maintaining bone density and preventing fractures, a critical concern as we age. Strong bones provide the frame for strong muscles. For a perfect pre-bed snack, try half a cup with a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few berries. It's gentle on your stomach and helps you wake up stronger than when you went to sleep. It's the ultimate nighttime ally. But what about a protein that can give you that same steady fuel to energize your mornings? Our next food does just that. Our number 3 spot goes to the morning energizer and gut protector, Greek yogurt. Like cottage cheese, it contains slow-digesting casein protein, making it a fantastic, filling start to your day. But it has another powerful secret. Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics to friendly bacteria that support your gut health. This is more important than you might think. We now know there's a powerful gut-muscle axis. A healthier gut allows your body to absorb protein and other nutrients more efficiently. In simple terms, a happy gut makes every bite of food you eat more powerful. It turns your body into a more efficient machine for building and maintaining strength. This is why active seniors see such a big difference. It's the reason cyclists like John, a 73-year-old viewer, reported that his endurance and recovery improved dramatically after adding Greek yogurt to his routine. He's not just eating protein, he's absorbing it better. Just be sure to choose plain unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars. You can easily add natural sweetness with a handful of fresh berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a delicious and powerful breakfast. A great start to the day is crucial, but maintaining that energy without crashes is the real challenge. Our next food is the key to stable, all-day energy. Securing the number 2 spot is the ultimate energy stabilizer. Black beans. Their secret isn't just the impressive amount of plant-based protein they contain, but their powerful partnership with fiber. This protein-fiber combination is a game-changer for all-day energy. The fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which prevents the sharp spikes and subsequent crashes in blood sugar that leave you feeling drained in the afternoon. Black beans are also rich in something called resistant starch. This unique nutrient feeds your healthy gut bacteria and has been shown to improve insulin's critical factor for metabolic health as we get older. This means your body can use energy more efficiently, leading to more stamina for your daily walks, gardening, or playing with grandkids. They are humble, yet incredibly effective at keeping you fueled. For easy preparation, use canned black beans and simply rinse them to reduce sodium. Add them to soups. Mash them for a healthy spread, or pair them with brown rice for a complete protein meal that will keep you steady and strong. These 5 foods are foundational. But now, for our number 1, the one food that modern science has proven can directly combat the muscle aging process itself. And now, our number 1 muscle growth accelerator, whey protein. Before you dismiss this as something just for bodybuilders, please listen closely. Modern science has shown this is perhaps the single most effective tool for seniors looking to rebuild strength. As we pass age 60, our bodies can develop something called anabolic resistance. This means our muscles become less responsive to the protein we eat. It's like the lock on our muscle cells has gotten a little rusty. Whey protein is rich in an amino acid called leucine, which acts like a master key. It directly signals the mTOR pathway in your body, the primary switch for building new muscle. Leucine bypasses that anabolic resistance and turns the muscle-building engine back on. The results are astonishing. One major clinical trial found that seniors supplementing with whey protein had muscle growth rates comparable to people in their 20s. It effectively helps turn back the clock on your body's ability to get stronger. But quality is crucial. It's vital to choose a pure whey protein isolate, as it contains less lactose and is far easier for a mature digestive system to handle. To make it easy for you, I've listed the high-quality brand I trust and recommend in the first pinned comment below. Simply mix 1 scoop with water or unsweetened almond milk after a walk or daily activity. And for our vegetarian viewers, a high-quality organic protein is an excellent alternative that delivers fantastic results. I've included my recommendation for that in the pinned comment as well. So there you have it. 6 powerful foods from lentils that fuel your day. 2 cottage cheese that repairs you overnight. 2 whey protein that accelerates your growth. This isn't just about food. It's about reclaiming your independence 1 meal at a time. But remember, this powerful nutrition works best when paired with safe, simple movement. Many of you have asked for easy home exercises. A fantastic tool I always recommend for seniors is a simple set of resistance bands. They're perfect for building strength without stressing your joints. I've linked the easy-to-use set I suggest, along with all the recommended proteins, in the first pinned comment below this video. It's your one-stop resource to get started today. Please subscribe for more science-backed tips, just like this. And if you enjoyed this content and want to continue your journey to a healthier life, check out the videos appearing on your screen now. I'm sure they'll help you immensely. Click on one of them, and I'll see you there. Here's to a stronger, more vibrant you. I'm Dr. Kenji Sato, and I'll see you in the next video.